Looking to eliminate interest and pay out debt? The Citi Simplicity Card is the top pick. Here's how to apply. Start on Citi's official site and find the Citi Simplicity Card. Click Apply now. Fill in your personal info, name, address, social security number, income, employment, and housing. Double check everything for accuracy before submitting. Know the key features: $0 annual fee, no late fees, and no penalty APR. You also get 0% intro APR for 21 months on balance transfers, if done within 4 months of account opening, and 12 months on purchases. A balance transfer fee of 3% minimum $5 applies during the intro period, rising to 5% later. Submit your application. Most people receive an instant decision. Once approved, your card arrives in the mail, activate it, and start managing your debt interest free. That's it. It's really fast, it's clean, and it's smart for debt repayment. If this helped, well, drop a like, ask your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more no flaw guides.